for the win. Anton Draga. Sa side na sana papunta yung 9 ball. As far as this evening is concerned for Cav Edgy, won back-to-back to start. Tapos, naka-isa. 2 on the side. Konting angat lang para doon sa red 3. He's gonna go in that corner. Oh, wasn't able to cheat the pocket. This is just the key shot here.
Oo.
Yung magiging landing spot ng cue ball niyan towards the purple 4.
Pinangatrasan.
Pinaatrasan. May konting... The things are gonna be this way. This close, this tight.
Oo.
This team of one miss. Solid ang gapang. Season 1's championship.
Doon sa unang semis natin, napataob na yung nakalaban nila nung Season 1, J.
Oo.
Ngayon, makakabalik ba sila sa finals?
Well, the answer that we could give them is they'll be a step closer because they will get game number 1.